Good morning, Daryl at the automatic trade desk. I just wanted to share with you my joy today. What kind of joy are we talking about? I traded 3 NQ last night in this account. 3 NQ, the mini future of the NASDAQ index, okay? 805 ticks per contract, day trading the NQ. Right now it's 10:56 a.m. to be exact Pacific time, and I'm done for the day. Okay, it is July 31st, 2026. As I said, 10:56 a.m. Pacific time. You can see my result here, 12,125. Daily limit reached, trading stop, trading 100% automatic trading. You know what else? It was 100% successful trades on the NQ today. This is the current candlestick on the NQ, okay? Today, the daily candlestick. Current price is over here. I'm up there. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this. First of all, I was trading a 600 tick chart today. Every 600 ticks create a new bar or candlestick, okay? And you can see it's not an exact science, okay? But very effective, a 600 tick chart. Okay, that's what I call them. All right, now let's take a look at the trades we took. As I said, 3 for 3, 100% successful trades, all automatic. I'm going to scroll back in time, which as soon as I touch this chart, we'll say goodbye to this floating daily chart. So I'm going to come down here. There it goes. And I'm going to scroll back in time to our trades, okay? Guess when this one started trading last night? Here's our 3 trades. That's it. Doesn't look like much, does it? But it's 800 ticks on the NQ, my friends. Yeah, if you look at this from here to here, I almost got all of price, okay? So if you took these lines and drew it straight down, this one straight down, this one straight down, between here and here, almost all of price. Okay, so let's take a look, all right? Boom! Here we go. This morning, 6:30 a.m., right at the opening of the American stock market, we went long, and that was a good trade, wasn't it? And then what? We were flat all through here, then we went short with 3 contracts, and then took our target, and then went short again with 3 contracts, took our target for a fire close, daily max goal, right in the middle of that trade. As soon as it hit 800 ticks, we went to try to take it out, and guess what? We slipped in our direction, okay? And we were only going for 800 ticks. Guess what? We got 805 ticks. Amazing automatic trading, my friends. These results are spectacular. They're remarkable. I would recommend that people look into automatic trading, and not just any automatic trading. I would look into the type of automatic trading where you see the people that created the automatic trading software, they're trading it themselves. You see what happens usually, even in hedge funds and things like that, you have people that create the strategies, okay? And then you have other people that trade the strategies. Guess what? I create and trade my own strategies. So that's why you don't see a lot of successful trading out there. Number one, and this is a trend in hedge funds, by the way, and in all institutions, they want people that will create the strategies that will be responsible for trading the end result of those strategies, okay? So they found out it's not so good to have one group making them and one group trading them, okay? So all of them, when you look at the jobs available on LinkedIn, they're all saying, hey, we're looking for someone. Number one, they can get it to market quick. If they develop a strategy, they want it in there right away as soon as they can. If it's a good strategy. The problem is it takes a little time to find out if it's good, and the hedge funds are finding out they're taking too long, and by that time they get to market with that strategy, they're not getting as good a results as they could if they were getting into the market faster with their strategy, okay? So, automatic trading, I don't have those problems, by the way. I have a data set, I have a number of strategies that I've developed. I would say that they're good for almost every market condition, okay? Certainly many market conditions. And that's what I do. I track their results. And guess what? When it comes into the condition for my strategy, that's the one I'm trading. Another thing people don't know, look down here. You see where it says uh, JC3? Okay. What does that mean? JC, that's the name of my strategy. I don't have these names like the Terminator or this strategy. No. I'm interested in the results, so I don't name them fancy names. This one's JC3 because I'm trading 3 contracts today. Okay? Automatic trading, my friends. Let's go back to current price. Automatic trading, my friends. The results speak for themselves.